Cut metal clean and fast. Compact plasma cutters for hobbyists and small shops. First, ARCCAPTAIN plasma cutter display inverter. $299.99 for a 50A non-touch unit with an LCD display. It's designed for accurate cuts and easy monitoring of settings, ideal for beginners who still want precise control. Second, bestarc Technology BTC500DP Generation 9 GEN. $349.99 brings dual voltage 50A performance for heavier workshop tasks. Robust cooling and steady arc control help when you need thicker plate reliability in a compact package. Third, ARCCAPTAIN non-touch inverter cut beginners. $279.99 targets newcomers with a non-touch pilot arc and straightforward controls. It cuts painted or rusty metals without torch sticking, saving time on prep and finishing. Fourth, YESWELDER Cut 55 NHF non-high frequency non-touch. $329.99 steps up to 55A and a non-high frequency design suited for sensitive electronics environments. It balances power and smoother arcs for cleaner bevels and faster throughput. Fifth, Reboot upgraded inverter beginner's business. $259.99 is the budget workhorse for small shops. Upgraded inverter tech and 50A capacity that's forgiving for learners yet tough enough for light commercial jobs.